Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be using Packet Tracer to demonstrate how hubs and switches work and what makes them different. Let's look at first hubs. Here I will add 1 hubs and 3 PCs and connect to them with hubs using cable. Now PCO sends data to PC to ... The hub receives this data and broadcasts it to all connected devices. However, only PC2 accepts the data because it is the intended destination. All other PCs receive the signal but discard or drop the data. Similarly, when PC2 sends data back to PC0, the hub once again receives the data and broadcasts it to every connected PC. This time, only PCO receives the data and the remaining PCs drop it. So basically, a hub is an old or traditional networking device. It works in a single collision domain and does not have any intelligence to identify the destination device. Because hubs broadcast data every time to all connected hosts, they increase network traffic and can easily cause collisions, especially as the number of devices increases. Now, let's look at switches. Similarly, I will add 1 switch and 3 PCs in Packet Tracer and configure IP addresses on each PC. Once the configuration is complete, we can start testing the communication between the devices. Here, I have already figured out the IP addresses and MAC addresses of all the PCs. Okay, now first, let's check the MAC address table of the switch. To demonstrate the learning process clearly, let's clear the MAC address table first. This will help us observe how the switch learns MAC addresses dynamically when the PCs start communicating. Now, once we send data between the PCs, you'll notice that the switch begins to populate the MAC address table with the source MAC addresses and their corresponding ports. Now, let's see what happens when PC6 sends data to PC7. The switch receives the frame from PC6. It then learns PC6's MAC address and records it in the MAC address table, along with the port that PC6 is connected to. Since the switch does not yet know the MAC address of the destination PC7, it broadcasts the frame to all connected devices. This broadcast happens only the first time because after this, the switch will know the MAC address of PC7 once it responds, and it will then forward frames directly to the destination without broadcasting. This is how a switch learns and stores MAC addresses dynamically to ensure efficient communication while reducing unnecessary traffic. Switches are intelligent layer to devices that forward data using MAC addresses, reducing traffic and preventing collisions.